Hey guys, welcome back to our video. So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PayPal to your bank account. Okay, so at the top left right there you can see your PayPal balance, and right under that you see blue text that says transfer. So you're going to click on transfer, which will bring up another prompt along the very bottom. It says transfer money, and you have a couple options: transfer to bank, transfer to PayPal savings, transfer internationally. So I'm going to click on transfer to bank. Okay, on this screen at the very top you'll see your available balance, and to the right of that you'll see a pencil icon. If you just want to withdraw, let's just say some of it, say if I only wanted to withdraw $200, I would click on that pencil icon and I would modify this amount, but I would like to withdraw the full amount. And under that you see two options. One of which says, in minutes, so you could have your money within just a couple minutes, but they will charge you a 1.75% fee. That fee might change depending on when you watch the video. And to the right of that you can see that you'll get the transfer within 1 to 3 business days, which does not charge a fee. So I'm going to be selecting that option because I don't need the money immediately. And right under that section you'll see your banking information. So I have this blurred out for obvious reasons, but if you would like to change what bank account you transfer your money from PayPal to, then change that section to the correct banking information. And at the very bottom you'll see transfer whatever your amount is in US dollars or whatever currency you are working with, and I'm going to click there, big blue button, and then from there it says your however much is on its way. So there you go. Just wait the 1 to 3 business days if you're selecting the option with no fee, or wait a few minutes if you're choosing to pay that immediate transfer fee. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.